University Law School. We are running way over time, but I'm going to give you a minute. First up, that is
So many of them ended up being made job offers by those employers. But it has to be a structured course, just as Professor Stewart was saying, not just any willy-nilly come in and if it works out, well, maybe. But there has to be an agreement that the employer would actually give them constructive work to do. And so many of the kids come back with stories for us. They were published in newspapers. Some of them were only metropolitan community newspapers. Whatever, it didn't matter. They were getting on-the-job experience, and that's what counted, especially when they went out to find full-time work at the end of it.
Barry, it sounds like you're echoing again what's been said repeatedly.